Alright, so let's go ahead and do a quick little walkthrough of the entire plugin so you can see how it works and all the different features that we have. First up, we have the settings panel here, and once you enter your activation key, we have a few different options for you to kind of disable the plugin globally or disable it on mobile devices. We have the option for you to link your social networks, all the different networks that you use for your business. You can easily link those into your video overplay videos, and then we give you the option to integrate your autoresponder. Now, if we jump over here to the Overplay Manager, you can see that we have the option to create a new overplay, and you're going to see all the different overplays that I already created. So let's go ahead and create a new one really quick so I can show you what it looks like. So I just give this a name like that there, Overplay for Demo. Then I'm going to click on Next. And when I do that, we now need to configure our video. So I would need to enter my YouTube video link here, whichever video that I'm wanting to apply this overplay effect to it. I would add that. And then we have a few different customization options for your video. The size, do you want to autoplay it? We can upload some still images. And then at the bottom here, we have 5 different options to choose from on which overplay we would like to apply to this video. So we can apply the email opt-in, the social sharing options, we can create a funnel, we can add a call to action button, or we can add an HTML banner. And whichever one you want to use, you're just going to click on the box here. And when you do that, you're going to notice along the top that we have a new option here of settings once we select one of these overplay options. You're going to see it appear at the top here, and if I uncheck it, you're going to see it goes away. And I will quickly just go ahead and show you what all of these look like inside of the settings panel. So I went ahead and I put a demo YouTube video up here, and once you have your overplay settings selected, you're going to click on Next. Next up, we have some video SEO settings, so you can give it a custom SEO title and a custom SEO description. And once you have that, click on Next one more time. And the first one we have here is the social settings. So for each of the features, the first options are going to be time. At what time into the video would you like this feature to appear? Okay, so 5 seconds into the video, I'm going to have these appear, and then I can have my social icons leave the video at another time if I wanted to. You're going to see all the different networks that we have available that you can link inside of your video. We have different icon sets. You can choose which one matches your video the best. We give you the option for a social headline, what type of sharing you want to do. And we have a ton of different animation styles for when the icons come into the video and when the icons leave the video. We can change the position, where they are positioned at on the video, and things like that. If I go ahead and click on Next, we have the email opt-in. Again, we have the time frame of when we want the opt-in to come into the video. We have a bunch of different text, the opt-in headline, a skip text, the wait message, and thank you message. We have different button styles, how you want the button to look when they subscribe to your email list. Of course, we have our opt-in form settings that you will need to link to your autoresponder. And then we have the same animation styles that we had on the last one. If I click on Next again for the funnel, this is going to allow us to pause the video and ask our visitor a question. And depending on which answer they choose, you can choose to redirect them to a different video. So as you can see here, we have a question box here. We type out our question. For example, would you rather increase your conversions or your traffic to your website? We have answer 1, I could put conversions, and for answer 2, I can put traffic. And then here for the video ID URL 1, and then we have video ID URL 2, these are going to be YouTube links to different videos. So for video 1, if they answer conversions, I can link them to a YouTube training that is talking about how to increase your conversions. And same thing for video number 2, I can link them to a YouTube video if they choose traffic that talks about increasing traffic. Again, we have the same different button styles for each answer you can choose from. And then, of course, the different animation settings for that question. Click on Next again, and here we have the call to action. This is going to allow you to have a call to action button and headline come into your video and try to get them to click your button and redirect them to a different link, a different website. So we have, again, the time of when you want this to come into the video. We have the CTA headline, the button text, and the link that you would like to redirect them to once they click that button. We have the different button styles again and the different animations to bring that call to action into the video. Hit Next one more time and we have an HTML ad banner. This is going to allow you to have a banner size of your choice fade into the video, and it gives you the option to redirect them wherever you want them to go. It's kind of like the call to action, but instead of a title and a button, this is going to be just an HTML banner. So you enter the time that you would like this to come into the video. You're going to upload your banner image here, the banner size, and then the link that you would like to redirect them to, along with your different animation settings. And last but not least, we have an overplay analysis here that's going to provide you statistics to all the different video overplays that you set up. It's going to show you how many times it's been viewed, how many times it's been clicked, and the click-through rate of that particular feature for that video overplay.